Honor phones store a lot of important data, contacts, messages, photos, and files. To back up or sync without losing anything, you need the right tools. In this video, we'll show 6 top Honor Sync apps to keep your data safe and accessible. Top 1. Best Honor Sync software: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. Backing up Honor contacts, photos, and messages is fast and secure. With selective restore and auto-sync, MobiKin Backup Manager for Android ensures reliable backup and peace of mind. Simple guide using MobiKin Android Backup and Restore for Honor. Install and launch the program on your computer, then connect your Honor phone via USB. Enable USB debugging if prompted for proper detection. On the interface, select Backup when the options appear. Select the data categories you want to include. Set a destination folder on your computer and click Backup to save the Honor data. Top 2. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. Transferring files from Honor is easy with one-click operations and works with both Android and iOS. Large Honor to Honor transfers save time and avoid manual work, making MobiKin Transfer for Mobile a trusted Honor Sync tool. Top 3. Honor Connect. Keeping Honor devices connected ensures easy access to files, notifications, and messages, while simplifying file sharing. With just a Honor ID, setup is quick. An ecosystem ensures smooth interactions, making Honor Connect a practical sync solution. Top 4. Honor Device Clone. When upgrading to a new Honor phone, wireless transfer of photos, apps, and contacts avoids cables and delays. The process is fast, complete, and user-friendly, making Honor Device Clone a reliable tool for data migration. Top 5. Honor Suite. Managing backups, restores, and updates via computer gives better control for Magic, Number, X, Play, B Note, and View series. With optimization tools and direct file syncing, Honor Suite serves as a versatile all-in-one backup and sync solution. Top 6. Honor Data Sync and Password Vault. Syncing login details and data ensures security and convenience. Backups protect files, and syncing eases transfers. Honor Data Sync and Password Vault is a reliable Honor Sync solution.